It is 2 a.m., and instead of sleeping, you are staring at a glowing screen, paralyzed by financial anxiety. You swipe through your banking app, watching your meager balance clash with the massive bills due next week. Your mind is not racing with tomorrow's work presentations, but with how to stretch your next paycheck. Every morning you drag your exhausted body onto the commute, trapped in a relentless survival loop. You watch coworkers casually grab luxury coffees and flaunt brand new designer bags. You look down at your worn-out shoes, wondering why everyone else seems to have it all figured out. This is the quiet reality of modern survival mode, where you work endlessly just to fund your past. Every dollar earned is immediately claimed by debt, utilities, and high-interest credit cards. You feel like a passive passenger in your own life, running on a treadmill that never seems to stop. You realize that you aren't building a future. You are simply trying to survive the week. The temptation starts small, disguised as an innocent, budget-friendly monthly installment. You click the buy button, convinced that a minor monthly fee won't hurt your wallet. But this zero-interest illusion is actually a digital shackle locking down your future income. The temporary rush of dopamine fades the moment the box is opened, leaving you with more debt. You have unknowingly traded your long-term financial freedom for immediate, short-lived consumer gratification. Meanwhile, inflation quietly erodes your purchasing power, making daily necessities more expensive. Every trip to the pump feels like a minor financial emergency that you barely manage to cover. To fit in, you participate in the culture of curated luxury, chasing trends you can ill afford. You hand over your credit card, ignoring the quiet voice of panic whispering in your mind. You tell yourself that you deserve these small treats, ignoring the mounting debt building in the background. This is the quiet trap of lifestyle inflation, designed to keep the working class perpetually broke. Back home, the reality of a nearly empty refrigerator contrasts sharply with your trendy lifestyle. You realize that owning luxury items does not make you rich. It only masks your financial insecurity. The financial system is engineered to extract every single penny of your hard-earned paycheck. Unused subscriptions and hidden convenience fees slowly drain your account without you even noticing. High-interest credit cards charge you a premium just to borrow your own future stability. You are left wondering why you work 40 hours a week and still have nothing to show for it. Large corporations spend billions of dollars analyzing your behavior to make you spend more. They market products as solutions to your unhappiness, turning shopping into a form of therapy. But true peace of mind cannot be purchased in a department store or ordered online. You decide that enough is enough, and it is time to regain control of your life. You sit down, open a notebook, and begin the painful process of facing your true numbers. Seeing your debts written out in black and white is terrifying, but it is also liberating. You ruthlessly identify every unnecessary expense, drawing a clear line between needs and wants. You cancel the unused subscriptions, reclaiming small fractions of your monthly cash flow. You start meal prepping at home, replacing expensive takeout with simple, nourishing ingredients. You brew your own coffee every morning, enjoying the ritual of conscious, intentional saving. Walking past the boutique coffee shops, you feel a quiet, unfamiliar sense of personal pride. You learn to say no to expensive social obligations that do not align with your new goals. Every small sacrifice is a step away from financial chaos and toward ultimate self-reliance. Months pass as you quietly stack your savings, ignored by the noisy world around you. One evening, you log into your banking app, expecting the usual feeling of dread. Instead, you see a crisp, beautiful balance of exactly $5,000. You lean back, exhaling a heavy burden you didn't even realize you were carrying. For the first time in years, the crushing weight of financial anxiety lifts from your chest. That night, you sleep deeply, uninterrupted by the ghosts of unpaid bills and overdue notices. You wake up to a new reality, greeted by clarity and a deep, comforting sense of security. At work, the sudden shifts in corporate demands no longer feel like life or death crises. When your manager demands late-night unpaid overtime, your internal reaction begins to change. You do not panic, nor do you feel the urge to nod submissively in fear of losing your job. That $5,000 is your psychological buffer, protecting you from workplace desperation. You politely establish boundaries, knowing that your survival does not depend on their approval. The dynamic shifts instantly because they can sense that you are no longer easily manipulated. This fund isn't just money, it is your agency, your dignity, and your peace of mind. Your relationship with money changes, shifting from mindless consumption to strategic management. You buy for utility and value, completely immune to the status signaling of premium brands. You pay for your groceries with total confidence, free from the fear of a declined transaction. Walking out of the store, you feel a profound connection to the reality of your progress. You look at your older phone and realize it serves its purpose perfectly well without an upgrade. The constant itch to consume has been replaced by a deep appreciation for what you own. With your immediate survival secured, your mind opens up to the world of wealth building. You begin to study how money actually works, learning the mechanics of compounding growth. You realize that money is not just a tool to buy things, but a seed that can grow. Your mindset shifts completely from that of a consumer to that of an active investor. You stop measuring your worth by your possessions and start measuring it by your assets. You are no longer building someone else's empire. You are finally building your own. You open an account with a reputable brokerage, ready to put your surplus cash to work. You set up an automatic investment plan, removing emotion and discipline from the equation. You choose a broad market index fund, purchasing a small slice of the entire economy's growth. With one tap, you have officially transitioned from saving your money to investing your money. In the beginning, your investments will look small, like a single snowball atop a mountain. But as time passes, that snowball begins to roll, accumulating momentum with every single cycle. The curve of compound interest starts flat, but eventually bends upward in a breathtaking climb. Months later, you log in to see your investments generating their own small streams of income. You watch your dividends buy more shares automatically, creating a self-sustaining cycle of wealth. When you see flashy commercials urging you to buy status, you no longer feel the pull. You shut off the noise, recognizing that luxury advertising is simply a tax on the insecure. You look at your reliable, older car, knowing it serves you far better than a lifetime of payments. You understand the fundamental economic divide. The poor buy liabilities, while the rich buy assets. An asset pays you to own it. A liability demands your labor and sweat just to maintain it. You learn to protect your hard-earned money from being eaten alive by inflation and hidden fees. You move your emergency cash from zero-interest banks to high-yield savings accounts that work for you. Financial discipline is not about living like a monk or depriving yourself of joy. It is about buying your freedom, so you can look at the chaotic world and say no. You realize you are no longer running a race with no finish line. You have a foundation. Your phone is no longer a source of bill notifications, but a dashboard of your independence. You delete the shopping apps, choosing to invest in your future rather than fund a retail giant. When you look in the mirror, you see someone who is finally in control of their destiny. You take a deep breath, stepping into a life of calculated choices rather than constant panic. It all started with a single decision to save, to sacrifice, and to choose freedom over fashion. The path to financial peace is long, but your first step has already set you free. Start today, build your cushion, and claim the peace of mind you truly deserve.